Hello again, guys. It's Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And today's victim is a unit sent in by Jerry in Fort Wayne, Indiana. It's out of a 76 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. And it's been sent in for a modern conversion to increase the output power. And now it has massive output power, 4 separate speaker amplifiers, and a couple cool features. So let's go ahead and turn her on. Got it set to FM at the moment.
Time. So apply today at Calvary Chapel University.
And we'll just run down the dial, make sure we pick up some stations.
Oboist Celia Nicholas. That's
Just see
that hoarding
background, but to be honest with you, can you send me love? Tainted love. 180 hours a week. Give me one more time. But we're gonna pull attention. This
98.3.
for us today, 43. It's tomorrow.
90. DHT to kick off the.
Okay, that's about 32 FM stations I picked up. Let's flip it over to AM. We get 3 stations on the AM band in my area.
So it's not something.
1, 2, and one more around here.
Saturday night.
There we are.
Tickets are on sale now for the country legend.
Okay, we'll go back to FM. All right, I'm going to activate the virtual front rear fader, which we do by turning the tone control twice to the right. The tone control, that is. And we're going to bring our level meters so we can see the results of our adjustments. I'm going to activate the front rear fader by turning our tone control twice to the right.
Fader adjust.
Fader adjust. Okay, so now the same control is adjusting the front rear speaker balance. Adjust it as long as you want. And when you stop adjusting it,
Fader set.
fader set. Okay, so now we can return our tone control to how it was. And you might notice that our left-right balance is a little bit off, so let's adjust that. Same procedure, except we turn our tone control twice to the left.
Balance adjust.
Alrighty, so now we're using the same control to adjust the left-right speaker balance. I'm going to center them. That's all the way right, all the way left, all the way right. I'm going to center the speakers. Stop adjusting.
Balance set.
Balance set. Okay, now we can return our tone control to how we like it to sound. Let's test the aux input. And as always, I just feed a quick tone into it, make sure it switches over. There's one side, other side, and now the radio is going to take 20 seconds before it comes back. And if you don't like that delay, just turn it off, turn it right back on, and it's like that the delay never happened. All right, now we're going to pop in 8-track tape. Got some Neil Sedaka. We don't need these meters anymore. Neil Sedaka.
If your chick's flown the coop, knock the blues for a loop. Get out and circle that fast. So don't you ever call her that girl again. I'm gonna buck you on the head of the day by the hand. Yeah, bounce the world on its string. All I see, like wonderland, deep blue sea.
Okay, going to eject the tape. This unit has an eject button, just like that. Radio comes right back on after the tape is used, so this confirms proper operation of all functions. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to decide what I feel like doing next. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do. Well, I guess over a set of computer speakers, the difference isn't so noticeable, but in person it's very noticeable. This unit originally had 4 to 5 watts per side. Now it has 22.5 watts per each of 4 speakers. So this is quite a bit more powerful radio than it was when it came in. So my phone number for paying, repair, or conversion customers only, not for do-it-yourselfers looking for parts or belts. My number is 928-533-9666. My website is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Jerry, for your business from Fort Wayne, Indiana, and we'll see you guys next time.